Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make a Lay's omelet. First, gather your ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1 small packet of Lay's potato chips, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. You will also need a non-stick pan, a mixing bowl, and a fork or whisk. Begin by crushing the Lay's chips into small, bite-sized pieces, ensuring they are not a fine powder. This preparation takes about 2 minutes. Now, crack your 2 large eggs into the mixing bowl. Whisk them vigorously with a fork or whisk for about 30 seconds until they are light and frothy. Next, add the crushed Lay's chips directly into the whisked eggs. Gently fold the chips into the egg mixture, making sure they are evenly distributed. Avoid overmixing to maintain some chip texture. It's time to cook. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in your non-stick pan over medium-low heat for about 1 minute. Once the pan is hot, pour the egg and chip mixture into it, spreading it evenly across the surface. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until the edges begin to set and the bottom turns a beautiful golden brown. This ensures a perfectly cooked base. Almost done. Once the bottom is golden and the edges are set, carefully fold the omelet in half using a spatula. Continue cooking for an additional 1 minute on each side to ensure it is heated through and the chips are slightly softened. Finally, slide your delicious Lay's omelet onto a plate. Serve it immediately for the best taste and texture. Enjoy your unique creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.